Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by sampling roles fast. Play 3 unranked matches in each role and track 1 key stat per game. This tells you what feels natural versus what drains you. Once done, compare raw performance and comfort immediately. Make sure to note whether you willingly lead fights or prefer supporting from angles. The reason is simple. Preference plus consistent output predicts long-term success. Move on only after you have consistent patterns across those initial sessions. You now analyze patterns from your samples, average kills, deaths, and how often your abilities secured rounds. Once done, cluster roles by strengths. If you entry frag and win duels, duelist fits. If you clear sight lines and use utility well, controller or sentinel may suit you. Make sure to rewatch 2 recorded matches to see if your decisions are reactive or proactive. This reveals whether you adapt or rely on teammates. Use these insights to narrow to 2 candidate mains. You finalize by committing to ranked play. Take 10 competitive games with each candidate role while focusing on 3 agents per role to build muscle memory. Once done, judge by win contribution, consistency, and enjoyment. Pick the one where you steadily improve and stay motivated. Make sure to practice agent-specific lineups and economy decisions. That yields quicker rank gains. If development stalls, try the troubleshooting tip. Rotate short coaching sessions or reduce session length to avoid burnout and regain clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.